What we're going to do today is we're going to solve the following linear inequality. We're going to start off by using the distributive property, and we're going to multiply 5 times 12, and we're going to multiply 5 times 3, and we have 5 times 12, which is 60, minus 15n is less than 165. Since we want to solve for n in this inequality, we're going to have to subtract 60 from both sides of the inequality, and we're left with negative 15n is less than 165 minus 60, which gives us 105. We have negative 15n is less than 105, and what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to divide both sides of the inequality by negative 15. Now remember, when you have a negative, remember to switch the inequality. So it will be greater than, and we have 105 divided by negative 15, which gives us negative 7. So the solution to this inequality will be any number that is greater than, not including negative 7, that is greater than negative 7. And this indicates the possible solutions. And we can check. I'm going to decide to use 0 as a number that is greater than negative 7. So we have 5 times 12 minus 3 times 0 is less than 165. We have 5 times 12 is less than 165, since 3 times 0 is 0, and 5 times 12 gives us 60. So 60 is less than 165. If you wanted to use negative 7, we can also check negative 7. So we have 5 times 12 minus 3 times negative 7, and we're going to check if that's less than 165. So we have 5 times 12 plus negative 3 times negative 7 is 21, and we got to check if that's less than 165. 12 plus 21 gives you 33. And we know that 5 times 33 is 165, and we know that it's not less than, but it has to be equal, so this is false. And this is true.